Hello friends, today we discuss about some more regular expressions. In previous videos already discussed about basics of regular expression. Discuss it more. Okay, so first thing is, in previous video I already discussed if you have a plus b, then you have choice either a or b, right? So basically I want to show in the form of automata. If you have a plus b, then your automata is like either a or b. This is your final state, right? So this is the finite automata of this regular expression. And if this regular expression contains star means 0 and so on, so basically whole number, like, then it has basically, then this is not right. If a plus b whole star, then it means everything. If you have two inputs a and b, and if it is a plus b whole star, then it means it accepts null also and any number of a or b. Okay, so this is automata of this language. But if you have a plus b and plus, it behaves like a natural number 1 and so on, so then null is not accepted, right? So null is not accepted, a or b, and then any number of a's or b's, right? So no null accepted. At final state, at least the length of string is 1, either a or b. So at least the length of string is 1, and then any number of a's or b's. So these are some basics regular expressions which we already discussed in previous video, but these are the automata, how we define in automata form. Like, so if you have concatenation, right, a dot b, so what is the automata formed by this regular expression? A dot b means a, and then after there is b. This is the automata normally discussed about, normally NFA, like. So this is a automata, finite automata for this regular expression a b, right? So both occurs, but b occur after a, so a b. So this is concatenation, this is union discussed, like. So after that we discuss some examples so that it is more clear to all of you. First example, all strings of input 0 and 1 and set 0. So if you have this type of language, if you want that all strings of 0 or 1 input ends at 0, and you find what is the regular expression of that. Okay, so first you think, is this language is a regular? Is it regular? See, ends at 0, single 0 is also end at 0, 1 0 ends at 0, 0 1 0 also end at 0, and infinite language. If you form a regular expression for this language, then what is a regular expression? Regular expression is simple, like 0 plus 1 star and then 0. It means don't worry about starting, worry about at end. At end there is 1 0, before 0 anything, either null or 0 or 1 or 0 0 or 1 1, no problem. So this is the regular expression of all strings which ends at 0. It ends at 0, so you can say this regular expression generates all these strings, right? So this is short and sweet. 0 पर end होगा and starting 0 and 1 or null, anything but ending at 0. Likewise Second example is at least there is one A in each string. So second example is basically strings of input 0, at least one A. Take inputs A and B. So strings of A and B of at least one A. So you need at least one A in your string, and you find what is the regular expression for that. So what are the strings basically accepted by this? Strings are basically at least one A you want. So single A also accepted, BA is also accepted, BBA is also accepted, AA is also accepted, and so on. Don't worry about B's, worry about only A's. You want at least one A. So what is the regular expression for that? See, B star, any number of B's. At first time any number of B's, don't worry about it. You want only single A and then B star, right? But you don't want only one A, you want at least one A. Means either 1A, 2A or 3A and so on. So you just put here plus. Why plus? Why not a star? Because null does not contain A. But if you write here plus, then you produce single A. If the plus is 2, then you produce 2A's and so on. And if you want B on any side, you can put B on any side, no matter. But you want at least one A in your string. In each string you want at least one A. Plus starts from 1, 2 and so on, right? So single and short string is single A. At least one A, so it is accepted. So this is a string, this is a regular expression for at least one A, right? B star A, B star whole plus. Another one, if you want at most one A, if you want strings of input 0, 1, which has at most one A's, at most one A. So you need at most one A, that means null and single A, nothing. Not includes two A's. It is not at most one A means there is only one A or there is null. Only that is accepted. Okay, so what is the language basically? Here is A, B inputs. Any number of B's, don't care about it. No A's. So at most one A means either one A or no A. Null is accepted, BA is accepted, BAA not accepted. Remember, at most one A you need. So likewise. So what is the regular expression for this? Regular expression for this is, so you want at most one A, that means B star, any number of B's, then you want A plus null and then any number of B's. Do you need any star of the whole regular expression, or whole regular expression? Do you need any plus? No, because you want single A or no A's. So this is the regular expression for this string which has at most one A. So likewise, there are so many regular expressions. There are a lot to learn about regular expression. So enough for today, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.